Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Azzahrotul Jannah from postgraduate Sebelas Maret University. In this presentation, I will discuss about the effect of network-based learning discipline as learning outcome indicator for mathematics student Muhammadiyah University Ponorogo. First, the world was shocked by the outbreak of the COVID infection which initially appeared in Wuhan, China, the end of 2019. Coronavirus has spread all over the world. Remember, for Indonesia, the spread of the coronavirus was so fast. This has killed many charitable activities in the country, one of which is educational activity. The current teaching and learning process due to the coronavirus has shifted to network-based learning, both at the school and university level to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. Learning to use the internet is actually still a lot of chores. In some cases, there are internet connection problems that cause the delivery of material to be less clear and understanding of the material lacking. The difficulty is also felt by mathematics education students at UNMUH Ponorogo during the implementation of online-based learning, considering that the thinking in the courses taken by mathematics instruction students is more theoretical, and especially in learning materials with higher problem that cause mathematics education students to have difficult understanding the material. Problem is missing online-based learning in higher educational from, for example, the limitation of material explanation and internet signal barriers, so that the material presented by lecturer is not clear, making students have serious learning discipline. Therefore, learning discipline is very important in achieving the learning outcome during online-based learning to network-based learning, both at the school and university level to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. The motivation behind this research is to determine student expectation in taking the result of learning disciplines during online learning and the relationship between learning disciplines and learning outcome during online-based learning. Okay, next, research method. Research types and areas. Analysis in these studies use the quantitative methodology, particularly through a review of several UNMUH Ponorogo students through filling out questionnaires. In this exploration was carried out at the Mathematics Learning Study Program, Faculty of Tarbiyah and Educator Preparation, University of Muhammadiyah Ponorogo, which is located on Budi Utama Street, number 10, Ronowijayan, Kecamatan Siman, Ponorogo, East Java. Next, research subject. In this study, the population is all dynamic students of the Mathematics Learning Study Program, Faculty of Tarbiyah and Educator Preparation, University of Muhammadiyah Ponorogo in the 2018 to 2020. The result of the delivery of the survey through questionnaire obtained 67 students. Sorry, the meaning, the test used the simple random sampling strategy. And next, data meaning, instruments, and strategies. The instrument used by the analysts in this study were a learning discipline poll and a data collection of study result card in the even semester of the 2020 or 2021 academic year. The KHS the KHS information base containing the student IP score is used as information on online learning outcome. The learning discipline poll is used as information on learning discipline. The learning discipline survey used in this study is in the form of a Google form which is then filled out by students according to the situation and condition of network-based learning. And next, data analysis. The information were then prepared and analyzed using Microsoft Excel 2010 and SPSS version 26. The theory testing in this examination was discussed using the simple linear regression analysis method. The condition of the linear regression model is y equal a plus b x. Next, result and conversation. Information held by descriptive statistical analysis with SPSS rendition 26 application to determine the size of the information, the mean, standard deviation, the smallest value, the maximum value, the variance, and the ideal score. The next step is a hypothesis test that tries to reveal how big the network-based learning discipline variable is an indicator of learning outcome. The theory testing is this research and is directed to use simple regression analysis examination. The traditional assumption test in this study is the numerical test, learned test, and heteroscedasticity test. Okay, in this table 2, statistical analysis result, descriptive, learning discipline, and learning outcome. Table 3, information regularity test. Table 4, information linearity test. Table 5, heteroscedasticity test. And Table 6, information recurrence test. Table 7, information recurrence test. And finally, Table 8, test data regression model summary. Taking from the data regression test table, the summary information model show an R value of 0.267 where there are value equal 0.267, superior 0.05. Then at the time, the relationship between internet network-based learning disciplines and learning outcome was solid. This result also indicate that there is a positive influence between network-based learning discipline on learning outcome, which can be interpreted that if student learning discipline is high, student learning outcome will also be high. This also applies vice versa. And then, conclusion, the research showed that online learning discipline can be used as an indicator of student learning outcome at University of Muhammadiyah Ponorogo and the higher student learning discipline. The higher student learning outcome. This showed that online learning discipline has a significant contribution to the consequences of student learning measures, so students can improve learning discipline so that student learning outcomes can increase. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. You can my contact information